Welcome to Belize, a tropical paradise offering unlimited adventure in one of the last unspoiled places on Earth. This Caribbean Central American getaway is home to everything from stunning white sand beaches to the largest barrier reef in the Western Hemisphere, pristine rainforests, and mystical Mayan temples. With so many fun activities and cultural experiences to enjoy, Belize not only offers the perfect vacation destination, it delivers a unique state of being to last a lifetime. We were lucky enough to speak with Minister of Tourism, Honorable Manuel Heredia.
Belize is such a wonderful, unique destination because of the multiple cultures that we have. Our people, that's our treasure. Most tourists that come to Belize will tell you that our people are so friendly and so welcoming. Belize is the only English-speaking country in Central America, but yet we have the Creole, which is a dialect, Garifuna, and Spanish, which is the second language in our country. Belize is easily accessible by air through the Philip Goldson International Airport, which is an hour and a half from the US. But if you want to come by road, Mexico on the north, Guatemala on the west, and by boat from the Caribbean Sea, which is on the east.
Belize offers something for everyone. Families will love all the outdoor activities available, and kids will be thrilled with the adventures that await them. Couples will find the scenic beauty here to be the perfect setting for romance, like a walk on the beach, or gazing at the stars, or a breathtaking sunset. And there's not a better spot on the planet to experience the wedding of a lifetime, or the perfect honeymoon. Plus, business travelers will find the facilities they need, as well as tons to explore at night, from restaurants to casinos and nightclubs. And of course, there are unique stores for shopping and world-class spas for unforgettable pampering. Everywhere you look here, you see fabulous natural wonders, from vibrant plant life to the largest jungle reserve in the area, and an unrivaled variety of wildlife both in the sea and on land. From exciting water sports to exhilarating land sports, Belize offers endless fun. Enjoy swimming, snorkeling, fishing, kayaking, cave tubing, windsurfing, parasailing, and every type of boating imaginable, as well as hiking, horseback riding, zip lining, and jungle exploration, not to mention amazing scuba diving.
Well, scuba diving in Belize is one of the best in the world because there are so many destinations underneath the waters. You have, for example, the Blue Hole, which Jacques Cousteau makes so popular, and also many others in the south of Belize. And almost everywhere that you go, you can have a diving experience.
Belize boasts wonderful beach towns like San Pedro, as well as gorgeous islands and atolls. Plus, the culinary experience is simply outstanding, with a variety of local specialties and international cuisines served up in fantastic restaurants.
The dining experience in Belize is great. Our cuisine is fantastic. You can have a variety of food for everyone, but in particularly, if you are looking for local foods, there is the rice and beans, or our mestizo foods, the chermole, relleno, or escabeche. The nightlife in Belize is endless. You have the casinos, you have the nightclubs, and you have the local bands where you can go dancing and enjoy yourself. I would invite the whole world to come to Belize. Belize has a complete package. 40% of our country is under conservation or preservation, and there is something for everyone.
For a soul-stirring experience like no other, reward yourself with a visit to Belize. Check out travelbelize.org to start planning your next getaway and discover how to be.